Is this on?
Yes, it's on right now. Hey guys!
Hey, what's up? Where's mine?
Yeah, show them the can. Let's see if it breaks.
That's the can. It hasn't broke yet. We tried to throw it in there super hard, but it hasn't. Okay, try it now.
Break it. Okay, here it goes.
Say it still didn't break.
They're gonna flag this video. Oh my no.
Or what? Hey, that's mine.
Yeah, this is his. Yeah, look.
What's up?
Come catch it.
Hey, here it goes. It hit the trash bag.
I'm scared. Run. Oh, sweet Jesus! I don't know if you saw that, but that literally went and up in my face. That literally jumped. The bottle jumped.
Stop.
Okay, look, this is his new flip compared to mine. Sucky-ish. His is awesome. But yeah. Oh, he broke. Now go try to break it. Look at that.
Now I have to clean this crap up.
I love crap. Oh, what's up? Oh yeah, I took his drink and it like spilled. It made it flow. I swear, if that actually jumps at my face.
It's broke now. It'll break easily now.
Sweet Jesus!
Yeah, really, it will.
I want to do it. Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, do that. Just drop it on there. There's a break.
Wait, stop. Here, give it. It's my property.
Is it?
Yes.
Ready, set,
Go! That was awesome! There's another one we have to do it.
You missed the other one. Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Ouch, in the butt. Oh, don't fall.
Alright.
What do you do if he just fell and all of a sudden you see his face?
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got that.
Okay, get it. Here, let me see it. Here it
Just
goes.
drop it. No, turn it, and it'll do the full force. No, I wouldn't do
Like
that
this?
because it's gonna crush the camera.
Like this?
Yes. Oh, it's gonna crush the camera, man.
Wait, Jesus!
Now you get the break.
No more.
She wants
Okay.
Get the break.
That was a little demo. Oh, it's bright out here. I know, right? Okay, say bye, peeps.
Let's bring back.
We're gonna come.
Let's bring back. She wants.
We almost killed someone today.
I make this.
Oh, epic. Let's look. Yay! Nice. We're just having some fun here. We're gonna do some other stuff later. So
Watch, then I make this, I'll probably miss.
that was an epic fail.
Let's suck it.
I want to try it. Somebody record this. I want to try to throw it.
Watch, backward shot. Backwards. Okay.
Let's see if he makes it. Oh! Almost!
Holy sweet Jesus. He's got a shotgun. Okay, watch your wacko do it. Yeah!
Oh, not even close.
Yeah, awesome. That side also. This side also.
I thought he said butt slide for a second. No! Try to subscribe some of these videos. Woo! Oh!
Watch. Oh, that sucks.
Okay, this sucks. Oh yeah! Look at him dance! Dance, brother, dance! Shake that.
Watch this. Alright.
That was mean.
Alright. Let's see this.
Yeah, you're so awesome. And he failed. Oh, I love that.
Yeah, you suck.
Yeah.
When did you get this? Whose is this?
This is Kay said you suck.
Hey, let's see. There's the wacko.
Let's see if he makes it.
Oh!
Dude, this is
Epic miss.
Dude, I'm gonna call this video epic fail.
Here we go.
See, this guy can do it.
Get this.
Oh, go right.
Suck it.
Yes. Oh, I thought that
Oh,
was
God.
Let's go back to that thing. That. Dance.
Oh yeah, just by the way, we covered up that glass with the trash can. That way nobody will notice.
Okay, now let's watch him epic fail again.
Epic fail.
You made me laugh.
That is last.
Miss It's your birthday. Yeah. It's your birthday. Dance boy.
I want to try to make one.
I won't try.
You suck.
Oh, with the camera. Let's go. Let's go play. Oh, what? 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 Dude, I'm just in there going, what? 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 Oh, that's a beautiful side right there. He pushed him in.
Please comment on this.
Oh, that was so beautiful. Yeah.
Hey, Lane, pass the ball. Let's play a game.
Look, we're in Hawaii.
Yeah, we're in Hawaii, Texas.
See, he already has some Hawaiian pants.
Hey,
He has country, I think. Somebody do an epic move of faith.
okay. Here we go. Hey,
You're so awesome.
hey, watch this epic fail. Watch this epic fail.
Epic fail.
I missed it. Watch. Here, get this.
We saw this already, but okay.
He thinks he's so good.
That's because he is. Oh. Ouch.
He thinks he's so good.
Oh, that was suckish, dude.
I mean, I could do better than that. And you know how I am, right?
This might be the last shot till this end of the video. It's been, guys, it's been sick. Oh! What? That was so close. What the hell?
You're like an in-job. Holy crap. Watch this.
Back up, back up.
Bring it up, Buzz. Okay, here comes Coco Ray. Yeah, dancing. Oh, that was so yummy. So yummy.
Shoot.
Oh my God!
So close. Epic. Yummy! That was an epic test.
6 minutes already?
Yeah.
You saw?
No.